add the not hotspot packages, you go to settings, then you see paid. As you can see, I've already added 3 of them. So to add a new one, you just click this plus button. Then here we have the very top of the page. You see the basic details of the package. Here we have the name of the package. In this case, we can call it 1 hour, for example, which tells the customer how long the package lasts. So you can just make it descriptive, so your customer can know which package they are buying, they are willing to pay for. Then here we have the price. Here we have the price, then the currency. So you can set how much this package costs and in which currency you're billing, depending on your country you are operating. And then just below that you have the assign to device section. This is where you select which hotspot device or router this package will be available on. So if you have multiple location, or you can control exactly where this package appears. And then here we have the download speed and upload speed feed, both measured in Mbps, and these settings control control how fast the customer's connection will be when they purchase this package. Set this based on what your network can support and what you are offering to the customer. And then here we have if it's a free trial, you can just enable this. So that means every new customer will be able to access the internet for free. Let's say if it's for 1 hour, that means the 1 hour will be free. Then the next time and this free trial can only be used once. So the next time the same device try to connect, he will no longer see the free trial because he has already used it. So he'll just pay for any package to get connected to the internet. Now here we have the expiry settings. You have 3 important fields here. We have expiry after. This is how long the package is valid from the moment it's activated. Then you select expiry after. Here you choose the unit of time, whether that's minutes, hours, a day. So it can be days. And then for example here you can set, let's say 3 to less, or even 5 days. It's up to you. Then this will leave it as series. Then below it we have max sessions per user, and they are counting. You have max session and max session per user. Then max session per user is the number of customer that can be able to buy this package simultaneously. Then we have the max session per user, which is the number of devices one customer can be able to use. For example, you can have a package that allow more than one device, for example. And this control how many simultaneously connection are allowed and how often usage is recorded. Then after that we have this team feature. This is for marketing purposes. So if the package is unlimited, you can just write unlimited. If it's for TikTok, you can just add TikTok. So before the customer buying a package, you'll be able to see, so this package is unlimited and I can use it, for example, TikTok, WhatsApp, it's up to him. Then we have the time and day restriction. So you just have to enable this. This allows you to restrict when a package can be used. For example, you could create a package that's only available during business hours or at nighttime package that only works after 10 p.m. And then it gives you full flexibility over when customers can access the internet using this package. As you can see, Monday, for example, let's say 8 p.m. to 9 p.m., for example. So this package will be visible every Monday from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Then down here we have the max, the data limit. Now we get to one of the most important section. So data limits, here you can set a max upload data and max download data limits in gigabytes. So this is something to be very careful about. If you set a data limit here, for example, 20 GB, once the customer reaches that limit, they will be automatically disconnected from the network, and they will see the reason data limit reached even if the package hasn't expired yet. So if you don't want your customer to be cut off mid-section, make sure you manage this carefully, and that's where the next section becomes really important. And then after you're done, you just click Save Package. Then you will see it will appear here. If you want to edit a package, you can just click this, for example. Then you can see the one I said 6 hours to this is the device, the download upload speed, the time 6 hours. You see one device per section. Then now we have the burst settings. This is a feature we added. So and this is really powerful feature. Bursts allows you temporarily give customers a higher speed than the normal limit for a short period of time. You can configure this separately for download bursts, and upload bursts. For each one, you set limits, which is the amount of the burst speed the customer gets temporary. Then you have a threshold, the amount of data they need to transfer before the burst kicks in, and also you have a time, how long the burst speed lasts before dropping back to the normal speed. This is good for giving customers a snappy browsing experience at the start of the session. Then down here we have the FUP policy. Now, for this one, which stands for fair usage policy, instead of disconnecting the customer when they hit the data limit, the FUP policy allows you to throttle the speed, meaning they stay connected but at reduced speed. To use this, simply enable the FUP toggle, and then you can set rules based on data usage in percentage. At what percentage of data consumed the rule activates, and also the time passed, which is the how long before the speed is restored, and also the speed reductions, how much to reduce the speed. So for example, you could say once a customer has used, let's say 80% of the data, you can reduce the speed by 50%. Let's say 50%. They stay connected but at slower. In this way, they will stay connected but at slower rates, and they are never abruptly disconnected. So you can add multiple rules using this add rule button. So you can create a tiered system, for example, slowing them down gradually as they consume more data. Once you're happy with all your settings, just hit the save package button at the bottom of the page, and your Hotspot package is ready to go. And that's everything you need to know about setting up a Hotspot package in ISPMan. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more ISP management tutorials. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section below, and I will do my best to help. See you in the next one.